over, I begin again. What was hope is desperation to keep what we once had from sinking, and from us drifting apart. So should I let it die or fight for you? For the burning flame that's turning cold. Let it burn out till it's ashes, or stoke the ember till it catches. Should I let it die or fight for you?
你的罪魁祸首，抢我东西，吃我的导览纸，怎么这么坏啊？回答我！回答我！回答我！回答我！
What a shame that you left me. Guess it's your loss. Big mistake, try and replace me. You'll need some love. And it's so cute how much you talk about yourself. I'm a fool, listening and sticking around. And I'm always waiting for you to get your shit together. You will find nobody better, 'cause I got so much more to offer. Nobody quite as talented in the office or the booth. 'Cause you were right to go and assume that you've gone and hit the jackpot. The very minute you laid eyes on me, and now we're lost before your fantasies. All this dream, can't you see that you will never find another girl quite like me?
What a shame, or how you lost in your own love game. You struggled and you threw it all away. Or was your jackpot of all trades and I made your fantasy reality? I have already shit together. Yeah, I'm tired of waiting for you. You only use me for your pleasure. It's funny how I chose you when I haven't lined around the block. 'Cause I decided you were the one. Don't you know you've hit the jackpot? The very minute you laid eyes on me. Tired of playing to your fantasy, not yours to keep, so let me leave. No, you won't ever find another guy.
Don't you know you hit the jackpot? The very minute you laid eyes on me. And now we're lost before your fantasies. Your